You see this? This is a credit card, and you better keep it away from your new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. The new iPhones have a dirty little secret, and Apple has exposed it to us. Mac Rumors found a support document somewhere deep inside Apple's website stating that the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro models, due to the magnetic back and the MagSafe charger, can actually destroy your credit cards, your passports, your security badges, and everything. So I was just browsing the internet, minding my own business, and I found this article on Forbes. And it states, in a series of bullet points at the end of the document, Apple warns buyers of iPhone 12 series phones that MagSafe can increase heat buildup and restrict charging, saying if your phone battery gets too warm, charging will be limited to 80% capacity. Damage the magnetic strips and RFID chips in credit cards, security badges, passports, and key fobs if they come between the back of your iPhone and the MagSafe charger. Apple sells a MagSafe wallet, so be very, very careful. And it also says, damage leather cases used with the charger by leaving circular imprints. Similar damage to silicone cases has also been reported just after a few days. So a question must also be asked, what this will do to the glass backs of the caseless iPhone 12 models. This is not good. This is not good. So, what does this mean? First of all, Apple does not sell a charger with the new phones, neither do they sell a charger with the MagSafe. They also state that if you do not use a 20-watt charger, you will not have the same speed in charging your phone than what they guaranteed. Secondly, if you charge good, but the phone gets too hot, your charging will be limited to 80%, so you won't be able to fully charge your phone. Third of all, if anything comes between the MagSafe and your iPhone, let's say your credit card, it can wipe it. It can destroy it. Security badge, gone. Key fobs, gone. Everything gone. And they say with a silicone case, you can actually see damage on the case itself. So there will be circular rings imprints from the MagSafe charger. Does it scratch the glass? I don't know. Maybe Jerry Rig Everything could do an in-depth review of putting the charger on 100 times and seeing if that scratches. I mean, glass is glass and glass scratches and breaks, obviously. Shout out to Jerry, love your videos. We're putting two pieces of materials together. One is stronger than the other, so over time, you will see damage on one or the other. What I don't understand is, why did Apple create a wallet? Isn't the future of Apple having no wallets? Isn't that why we have a wallet in our phone? Shouldn't we use Apple Pay everywhere we go? We don't need the wallet. Shouldn't we get to a point in the future where we have ID and passports in our phone as well, so we don't need to carry those around? We have our car keys there, we don't need that. So why did Apple create the wallet? It's a big thing I don't understand. In any case, if you use some kind of wallet case on your phone and you want to charge it through that, be aware, if it doesn't have protection against magnetic fields, it's gonna wipe your card. The big question is, will there be a big gate out of this? Bend gate, antenna gate, scratch gate, magnet gate, MagSafe gate? You remember we had the HomePods, and the HomePods, in the beginning, there were some models that left a white ring on certain tables, certain wooden tables. Now, if something happens to your iPhone's glass on the back, don't worry, Apple can fix it for you. For $450 on the iPhone 12 and $550 for the iPhone 12 Pro. It's half of the phone, just the glass on the back. That's crazy. Still, it's Apple, so what can you do? Buy a case, use traditional cables while you can, because the lightning cable is gonna go away. We won't be able to charge our iPhones in the future with cables, just with MagSafe. So use it while you can. Or If you have traditional Qi chargers at home, which I'm pretty sure some of you guys do, then use those. So guys, a word from my sponsor. There is no sponsor. Today's video was sponsored by the subscribe button. It's what you can do to help me, so down there. And if you're down there, just press the little notification bell. Thank you. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.